How to spot and avoid credit repair scams. If an offer or advert seems too good to be true, it usually is. You should always check if a deal is even possible before entering into one, otherwise you could end up in a lot of trouble. Credit repair scams work by promising you a new credit identity, essentially offering to reset your credit history. It is especially tempting to people with poor credit ratings, but be aware that there is no such quick fix that can be done legally. Companies who run these scams often sell you social security numbers against the law. If you use any social security number other than your own to apply for credit, not only will that application get rejected, you could be fined or even go to prison. The only real way to repair your credit takes time and a personal debt repayment plan. What to look out for. There are certain red flags you should look out for that could indicate a credit repair scam. If a company does any of the following, you should be on alert. They insist that you pay them before they do any work on your behalf. They tell you not to contact the credit reporting companies directly. They tell you to dispute the information in your credit report even if you know that it is correct. They tell you to give false information on your applications for credit or a loan. They do not explain, or they refuse to explain your legal rights when they describe the services that they offer. Many companies will provide you with a 9-digit number after you pay them. It will look like a social security number, but they may refer to it as a CPN, standing for either credit profile number or a credit privacy number. Usually, this is a number they have obtained illegally, and they are often social security numbers that have been stolen from children. Alternatively, they may ask you to apply for an employer identification number. This is a legitimate number that is given out by the Internal Revenue Service, however it is typically used by businesses to report financial information. It is not a substitute for your own social security number and should not be used as such. Credit repair companies may tell you to apply for credit using the CPN or IN. Do not do this, it is a scam. If you apply using anything other than your own social security number, you are engaging in identity theft. It is illegal to lie on a credit or loan application, misrepresent your social security number, or to obtain an IN from the IRS under false pretenses. Your credit rights. Under the Credit Repair Organization Act, which is enforced by the Federal Trade Commission, credit repair companies are required by law to inform you of the following 5 things. Your legal rights. These should be presented to you in a written contract along with details of the services the company will perform. Your 3-day right to cancel without any charge. How long it will take to get results. The total cost you will pay. Any other guarantees. If a credit repair company does not abide by the Credit Repair Organization Act, you can sue them in federal court for any losses, seek further punitive damages from them, or join other people in a class action lawsuit against the company. How to report fraud. Different states have their own laws that regulate credit repair companies. You can report any fraudulent activity to your local consumer affairs office or to your state attorney general. Credit repair fraud can also be reported to the Federal Trade Commission. Though they are unable to resolve individual credit disputes, they can take action against a company if there's a pattern of possible law violations. Don't become a victim of credit repair scams. Now that you're better informed, you can avoid them and fight back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. You can also subscribe to iDispute and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss out on our regular information videos and updates. Thanks for watching.